Hi friends, in the last videos we covered how to print alphabet symbols by using star patterns, like so how to print A, how to print B, how to print Z, like all 26 alphabet symbols we covered. A bit boring concept because everything is the similar, but why I covered each and every alphabet symbol? Now I want to convert all these alphabet symbol patterns into small applications, right? Okay, like so do you know LED panel display, okay, electronic display of alphabet symbols, right? If you go for bus stand, railway station, airport, you can see LED panel display, share rate, or otherwise bus arrival timings or train arrival timings, like you can see in the LED display, right? So how you can do that? Okay, that panel display I want to take vertically, horizontally, right? Okay, first I will take care about vertical panel, LED panel design, and then we have to talk about horizontal. Vertical is the easy, then we will go for difficult one, horizontal, right? So first observe this one. Okay, here I developed one application. Of course, don't worry about this code, sir. I developed one application. Okay, some function is there, some function A, B, C, D, and so on. Do you know, like until Z is there, sir. Okay, like all the things are there. Code reusable, everything I took. Okay, now my requirement is, observe a bit carefully, sir. Here I am taking py vertical LED panel display.py. Of course, don't worry, sir. I developed already this code. I will explain how to develop, sir, on our own. I will explain on the board and then we can develop on our own. Don't worry, sir. Now vertical LED panel display. Sir, what I am trying to take here is just have a look once, sir. Enter some uppercase alphabet symbol to print pattern. Sir, I am taking A, sir. A. Then immediately, sir, have you observed, right? A printed properly. Are you getting A printed properly, right? Sir, now if I can ask R, R, sir, enter some alphabet symbol to print R, then happily, do you know, R, it is printing. Now, if I can use the word, okay, W, sir, if I can use the word W, now W alphabet symbol, it is printing. Now I'm asking about Z, Z, sir, now it is printing Z symbol, right? Yeah, beautiful. So, if you provide some alphabet symbol, our program is responsible to print that only one alphabet symbol, right? Sir, now I want to enter a word, that word it has to display. Are you getting that? I want to enter a word, that word it has to display. Sir, same program with a small minor change. You have a look once. Sir, vertical display I want to take care. Here, what I'm trying to take, of course, that also is ready, sir. Let me here just let me comment this part I'm trying to take. Now observe this one. Here, don't worry about the code. I will explain, sir. Here just let me here just I'm trying to take here enter any word to print vertically. Okay, just I'm taking sir Durga, like now have a look once, sir. Here you can see like so instead of that, just let me reduce the font so that you people can feel more comfortable, right? Okay, sir, here just I'm taking here, just have a look once, sir. Sir, if you observe the Durga, like you can see Durga. Are you seeing, right? Durga, like Durga. Okay, like sir, if I can ask enter any word to display. Now I'm trying to enter Udemy, like I'm taking, sir. Now observe that. So here, if you are seeing, sir, Udemy, okay, like this. This is the vertical display, sir. Even horizontal display also we can do. No problem at all. So how we have to write the code for this type of applications, you should have clear clarity. But make sure, sir, if you want to develop this, if you develop A to Z individually, the previous videos, if you understand, now the remaining things will become very easy. So there we didn't use any code reusability. Now I want to use code reusability. Okay, all 26 alphabet symbols I have to write in the same application. That's why some code reusability, some reusing functions I have to introduce. All those things I will discuss. Once you people feel comfortable with the vertical design, then we have to go for horizontal design, which is the ultimate. Any doubt about this? Clear, right? Be ready, sir. Sir, now observe, in the last videos almost, have you remembered, 26 alphabet symbols we covered. Sir, in style. Sir, this is A and this one is the B. If you observe, every alphabet symbol, we used a 7 by 5 space. 7 rows, 5 columns. Have you observed? How many rows are there? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sir, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 rows are there. How many columns are there? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you consider any alphabet symbol, sir, you know, in every row, sir, if I print 7 rows appropriately with the star symbols and spaces, now the required alphabet symbol is ready. Sir, the total is just a matter of printing 7 rows. Correct, right? In every row, how many columns are there? Respond. In every row, how many columns are there? 5 columns are there. 0th column, 1st column, 2nd column, 3rd column, 4th. 0 to 4 means 5 columns are there, sir. Sir, just observe, in every row, in every column, which symbol we are taking? Only star symbol. So, if you are taking star symbol, if you are not taking star symbol, not taking star symbol means space. Sir, space, star, space. Sir, if you consider second row, star, space, star, like, so if you fill the columns either with the star symbol or space symbol, row will be ready. Okay, if you take 7 rows appropriately, then alphabet symbol will be ready. Sir, simple, sir. 7 rows. Next, every row contain 5 columns. Every column filled with either space or star symbol. Just observe. If you aware this, then so you can write any type of alphabet symbol is the easy. Alphabet symbol contain how many rows? 7 rows. Every row contain how many columns? 5 columns are there. 5 columns are there. Every column contain which symbol? Only star symbol or space symbol. Either star symbol or space symbol, right? Now, what I want to take? Sir, to print a row, I want to write one function. Because code reusability, I want to do that, sir. Easiness I have to do. Because in a single application, 26 alphabet symbols I have to do. So, compulsory we require to go for code reusability, right? Sir, what I will take care is very simple. Sir, print a row. For that, one function I want to write. Have a look once, sir. I'm taking DEF print row. Okay, like I'm taking, sir. DEF print row. Now, in every row, star symbols are there, space symbols are there. Okay, sir, I want star symbols in 1st position, 2nd position, 3rd position. Like, sir, where you want star symbols, you have to pass the argument. Suppose I'm calling this function, sir, print row 1, 2, 3. If I call like this, what is the meaning of that? Boss, so can you please print star symbols in 1st position, 2nd position, 3rd position. The remaining 0th position and 4th position, please take spaces. This is the meaning, sir. So what I have to take? Very simple. Sir, how many values you are passing? 1, 2, 3. 3 value. But sometimes you may pass 0, 4. Boss, I want star symbols only 0th position, 4th position. Sometimes I may pass 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like, sir, 5 values I may pass. So I want star symbols everywhere. So you are going to pass either 2 values or 1 value or no value also, right? What I will do is, sir, def print row. Observe carefully, print row. I'm taking star call. Are you getting? Star call. What is the meaning of star? Do you know star arcs? In the last video somewhere we covered. Okay, functions concept. Have you remembered? Variable length argument. Okay, so it can accept any number of values, and all these values will be stored in the form of tuple. Remember this one, sir. Sir, now my target is I'm calling. So I'm passing 1, 2, 3 as the argument. Now this call will become, it is a tuple with the 1, 2, 3. Okay, well. So in 1, 2, 3 position, print a star symbol. In the remaining 2 positions, 0th position, 4th position, I want to print a space symbol. This is my requirement, right? What I will take is, so to print a row, how many columns are there? Respond. Every row should contain how many columns? 5 columns are there. Correct, right? Now here, so for I in range of 5. For I in range of 5. Can you please tell what are various possible values for I? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, sir. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, for I in range of 5. I values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because these 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are columns, column values, right? Okay, well. Sir, if I in call means if this I value in your specified list, oh, I value in specified list, boss, in this I value is there, print star. If the I value not in the specified list, print a space. Okay, if I in call, print star symbol, comma, end is equal to space. Sir, after printing star symbol, don't go to next line. Just use a space separator. Okay, like else, okay, print. Sir, what I have to take? If it is not there in the specified list, if I value not there in the specified list, I have to print a space. Okay, print space, comma, end is equal to space, like this, right? That's all. So this is a beautiful function to print a row with a specified number of stars in the specified positions. Remember that. How you can do that? Very simple. How it will work, sir? Observe carefully, right? What I'm taking? Print a row of 0 to 4, 0 to 4, to 4 I'm taking, sir. Observe, 0 to 4. Means I want star symbols in the 0th position, 2nd position, and 4th position. In the remaining means 1, 3. 1 and 3 positions, I want the spaces. Correct, right? Now, have a look once. Sir, 0 to 4. Now, this star call, the value will become 0 to 4, sir. 0 to 4. Column, because variable length argument will become tuple. The tuple contain your provided value 0 to 4. So, total, how many columns are there? 5 columns, sir. That's why I took for loop for I in range of 5. Okay, well. First, I value 0. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I in call, okay, in your columns list, in your columns, I value is there. What is the first value? 0. Sir, first I value 0. 0 in the list or not? Yes, it is there. So, print a star symbol. Okay, print a star and then separator is there. Next, second I value 1, sir. 1 is not there in our list. If 1 is not there in our list, print a space, sir. And then next I value will become 2. 2 is there in our list. That's why, can you please print a star symbol? Okay. Next 3, I value the 3. 3 is not there in our provided list. That's why space will be printed. If it is there, print a star, else print a space. Next, I value is the 4. 4 is there in our list. That's why print a star symbol. So, star, space, star, space, star. So, out of 5 columns, out of 5 columns, if you observe that, so 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. zeroth column star symbol printed, and the second column star symbol printed, fourth column star symbol printed, 1th column and the third column spaces got printed. Beautiful, sir. Are you getting? Next, after printing every row, next row should start in the next line. Correct or not? That's why what I'm taking here, print like this I'm taking, sir. That's all. So now take very special care. If you understand this function, then the remaining things will become easy. So it is the responsible to print one row. Next, with the star symbols. Sir, where you require the star symbols, you have to provide as argument. Remember, the total all alphabet symbols I will generate by calling this function repeatedly. How you can, I will explain, sir. First observe how it is working. Like have a look once. Sir, I'm taking very simple function. Here see, def. Okay, print row function I'm taking, star call I'm taking, sir. Okay, columns list. Okay, like now, sir, here how many columns are there in every row? Sir, what is the main job of this function? To print one row. In that row, how many columns are there? Respond. How many columns are there? 5 columns are there. So what is the column numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why 5 columns. 0 to 4. Let me write a for loop. Okay. For I in range of 5. Then do you know what are the I values? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, well, sir, if I in call. Sir, if I in call. So if I value in our specified list, can you please print star symbol? Can you please print star symbol, comma, end is equal to space. Don't go to that because 5 columns I require to print. 5 columns I require to print. Don't go to the next line. Okay, like, sir, else. If I is not there in our list, then automatically print space, comma, end is equal to like this, right? Okay, well, so if I values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I is in our specified list, in that place a star symbol, okay, print a star symbol. If I is not there in that place, can you please take a space symbol? This cycle will be repeated for every column. How many columns are there? Sir, 5 columns, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, clear, right? Sir, next, sir, observe carefully. What is my next job? How is it working properly or not? Observe carefully. Here, I'm taking one small, sir, this function I want to call, sir. Print row. I'm calling. I want 0th position, 1th position, 2nd position, 3rd position, 4th position, star symbols. Are you getting? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Boss, I want a star symbol in all specified positions. Then automatically, every I value is already there in our list. In all positions, star symbols will be printed. Have a look once. Here, if I can take, sir, star, like a star symbol printed. Correct or not? Here, star, like all 5 stars got printed. Okay, like. Sir, now I want a star symbols. Only 0th position, 2nd position, 3rd position, 4th position. Sir, observe. In the 1th position, I don't want star. In the 1th position, I don't want star. Sir, observe carefully. First time, I value 0 in our list. That's why star will be printed. Next, 1 is not there. That's why else part space will be printed. Like so, if I value there in our list, star will be printed. If I value not there in our list, then automatically space will be printed. 0th position, star. 1th position, space, because you didn't ask about 1th. 2nd, 3rd, 4th. Okay, star symbols, right? So 4 star symbols, 1 space. Have a look once. Here. Now, here the first one, star symbol, and then space came, and then 3 star symbols are there. Okay, like this is the function what you people should aware. Okay, to print one row with the specified star symbols, right? Any doubt? Are you in the position to understand? If you know this function, the remaining things will become very easy, sir. Have a look once. There is one small thing, sir. After printing a row, next row should start in the next line. Correct or not? Next row should start in the next line. That's why one blank line we have to take at last. Let me take this blank line also. Observe carefully here after printing, sir, after printing, so all the columns next row should start in the next line. That's why print blank line I'm taking, sir. That's all, sir. This is the function to print one row. If you repeat this row 7 times, then one alphabet symbol will be ready, sir. Okay, observe carefully. Now is it properly working or not, sir? Observe that I'm asking about 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Next I'm asking about 0, like sir 7 times I'm asking, sir. Observe 1 2 3, sir, here 7 times I'm calling this function 7 times. Do you know I'm always expecting in all positions star symbols. Now observe 7 rows will be printed or not? Yes, perfect. 7 rows will be printed, sir. 7 rows will be printed. Suppose I want first row with all star symbols, second row with all star symbols, but in the remaining only 0th and 4th. Okay, first row I want all, but in the second 0 comma 4. Next third row also 0 comma 4, 0 comma 4, sir, 0 comma 4. Next 0 comma 4. Next 0 comma 4. Sir, observe carefully. In the first row all 5 stars, but in the second row only first and the last. 0th column, 4th column. Next like this. But last one again all. Now observe. Have a look once. Perfect. In the first row all star symbol, last row all star symbol, but in the remaining 0th position and 4th position only, like this, right? Yes, perfectly. Our function is working properly because I'm spending much time about this function. If you understand this, nothing will be there, sir. Now have a look once. So how I can use this function to generate alphabet symbols? Have a look once, sir. Beautiful concept. Now I want to generate A. Sir, every alphabet symbol is a matter. How many rows? Respond. Every alphabet symbol is a matter of how many rows? 7 rows. Are you getting? In every row, okay, how many columns are there? 5 columns. Every column contain either star symbol or space symbol. Okay, like now I want to generate A alphabet symbol. Okay, I want to generate what? A alphabet symbol, right? What I have to take to generate A is a common requirement in our application. So let me write as a separate function. Now have a look once. DEF, I'm taking DEF, A, I'm taking. So a new function I'm taking, sir, to generate A pattern. Sir, in this A, what is the first row? Please confirm. First row contain star symbols in which places? 1, 2, 3 places. First row contain star symbols in which places? 1, 2, 3 places. Okay. Now in that, sir, call print row function. Sir, in which places star symbols are required? 1, 2, 3 places. Now this print row function is the responsible to print star symbols in 1th position, 2nd position, 3rd position. In the remaining 0th and 4th position, spaces will be there. Okay. Next print is there. Next line automatically will be moved. Okay, well. Now, sir, 0th row completed. What is the 1th row? 1th row, sir. In the 1th row, in which places star symbols are there? 0th place and the 4th place. Correct, right? 0th place and the 4th place. That's why. So again print row, 0th place, 4th place. 0th place and the 4th place star symbol is required. Next 3rd row. Again 0th place and the 4th place only. Sir, 0th and the 4th place only. Now print row, 0th place and 4th place star symbol is required. First row, second row, third row completed. Now the next one. Here, sir, third number row. How many star symbols are required? Sir, all 5 star symbols are required. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why let me write print row 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Boss, I specified all 5 because I want star symbols everywhere. Okay, like. Sir, next, 4th, 5th, 6th. 4th, 5th, 6th, 0th position, 4th position. 0th position, 4th position. Star symbols are there. So 4, 5, 6, 3 times. Print row 0, 4. Print row 0, 4. Print row 0, 4. 0, 4. Sir, just I call that function 7 times. 7 times. So first time in the 1, 2, 3 places star symbol is required. In the second one, 0th and 4th places star symbol is required. Next 0, 4th place star symbol is required. Next in all columns star symbol is required, like this, right? Okay, like. Sir, this is a function I wrote. If you want to print a, just call a function. Now a alphabet symbol will be ready. Have a look once here. Just my requirement is, observe very carefully, sir. Sir, here D, E, F, A function I am taking. Sir, if you observe A symbol, in the 0th column, sir, in the 1th position, 2nd position, and the 3rd position star symbols are there. Okay, that's why print row 0th position, 1th position, 2nd position, 3rd position star symbols are there. Okay, well, sir, in the 1th row 0th position and the 4th position star symbols are there. So next row 0th position and the 4th position there. Next second same 0 and the 4th, 0 and the 4th. Okay, let me take 0, 4. Okay, like. Next third one, sir, star symbols available everywhere. In the next row, star symbols are there in every row. That's why now print 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. All 5 star symbols are required. Next, fourth one, do you know? Here star symbol 0th position and 4th position. Now 0, 4, sir. 0, 4. Sir, next 5 and 6 also 0, 4 only. 0, 4, 0, 4. Now observe. So total 7 times I'm calling print row function. First time I want star symbol in 1, 2, 3 position. Second row 0th and 4th position. Third row 0 and 4th position. Fifth one 0, 1, 2, 3 like sir, that's all. Now 7 rows are ready. A alphabet symbol will be printed. Just let me call this A function. Okay, like. Now what I want to take is, let me call A function. Okay, like. Sir, just observe. Let me execute this code. Let me execute this code here. Sir, D colon, okay, py test.py, like this I'm taking, sir. What the answer we are going to get? Perfect A alphabet symbol is ready. Are you in the position to understand, right? So A is ready, sir. Ready. Okay, like. So you can call this A based on your requirement any number of times, then automatically those many times A will be printed. Now it is the code reusability. Observe that. Next, sir, here you are calling print row 3 times. Can I use a loop or not? Yes, why not? So call print row function 3 times, like by using for loop you can write. Observe carefully. Here I'm taking for loop for I in range for I in range of 3. For I in range of 3 print row. So we are not required to write like this. Okay. So first time, second, third, fourth row completed. Remaining 3 rows, same function only. Okay, like. Now observe carefully. Yes, A will be ready, like. Yes, friends. Now you people got much clarity why I wrote this print row function. How you can print A by using this function, sir. Sir, same way I want to print B. I want to print B, sir. So like you can print all 26 alphabet symbols, no problem at all. So how you can print B? Let me explain B pattern also. Here see this B. B means observe carefully. This is the B, sir. In the first row, where star symbols are there? 0, 1, 2, 3. So except the last one, 0, 1, 2, 3 star symbols are there. Second row, third row, like all. Let me write the code. Observe carefully. So I want to write a separate function, sir, to print B also. Okay, very simple. D, E, F, B. I'm printing. Sir, print row like so first row contain how many star symbols? Observe carefully. 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. 4 positions. Here 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, like so first row printed. Now second row. Print row, second row. Observe carefully. In the second 0 and 4th position. 0th position, 4th position. Next also 0th position, 4th position. Observe carefully. 0, 4, 0, 4, like 2 rows are there with 0, 4. Now print row 0, 4. Again print row 0, 4. Print row 0, 4. Print row 0, 4. Next and then what is the next one? So sir, 3 rows completed. Now the next row 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3 positions only star symbol is there. Now print row 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, well. Next again next row 0 and 4th. 0 and 4th. 2 rows are there with 0 and 4th position. 0th position, 4th position, right? Now print row of 0, 4. Print row of 0, 4. Next last one. Observe last one. So 0, 1, 2, 3 in these positions only. Now sir, print row of 0, 1, 2, 3 positions. But anyway 0, 4, 0, 4 2 times is there. Okay, print row 0, 4. Next last one, print row of 0, 1, 2, 3. That's all. Sir, can you please observe total how many rows? 7 rows. In first row 0, 1, 2, 3 position star symbols. Second row 0th position, 4th position. Third row 0th and 4th position. Next one 0, 1, 2, 3. Like you have to write the code. Just call this B function. Now B alphabet symbol will be ready. Have a look once. Observe carefully. Here A already we wrote. A function is already we wrote. Now let me go for B function. D, E, F, B. I'm taking sir. Sir, I have to call print row. How many times we have to call? 7 rows anyway, right? Sir, now observe B sir. In the 0th column, 0th row, in which column position star symbols are there? Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3 positions star symbol is there, sir. Now let me write 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, like sir, next row contain sir 0th position, 4th position. Okay, next row contain 0th position, 4th position. Next row also contain 0th position and 4th position. Okay, now again 0, 4. Okay, well, next row contain 0th position, sir, 1th position. Okay, like 0, 1, 2, 3, sir. Now 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Next sir, here 4. Okay, like 4th row 0 and 4. 4th row 0 and 4. 0 and 4 like. Next 5th row 0, 4. Have you observed 0, 4? Sir, 0, 4. Next 6th one again 0, 1, 2, 3, sir. 0, 1, 2, 3 like. Now 0, 1, 2, 3 like, sir. 0, 1, 2, 3 like. That's all. Sir, observe 7 rows came. If you print 7 rows appropriately with star symbols and then spaces, now that alphabet symbol will be ready. Sir, whether it's working properly or not. Have a look once. Okay, like I'm trying to take here B. I'm calling B function, sir. If I call B function, now observe carefully, observe a bit very carefully. B will be printed or not? Yes, perfect, sir. B is printing. Now, if I call a function, now observe, A will be printed or not? Yes, A will be printed. Okay, A alphabet symbol A will be printed, sir. Like that, we have to write for all 26 alphabet symbols. Is it very easy or not? But anyway, labor job, 10 or 15 minutes you require to spend to write all this code. Okay, any doubt about this one? But anyway, sir, I wrote already this total code. Don't worry, I want to explain in front of you for 26 alphabet symbols. I wrote, just let me copy paste. Here, sir, observe carefully. A, B completed, right? Here, A, B completed. C onwards. Okay, C function already I wrote, sir. D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, and so on. Already I wrote the same style. Okay, now here just let me copy paste, sir. Here just observe. Now Z is ready, Y is ready, X is ready, W is ready, V is ready, U, T, like sir, every function, every alphabet symbol is ready, sir. Now you can print, sir, I want Z. Just call Z function. Now Z symbol is ready. Are you getting? Now Z symbol is ready. Sir, I want yes. Yes, sir. Then automatically just call yes is ready. Are you getting? Yes is ready. Sir, just I want X. Now observe that X symbol is ready. Okay, like X symbol is ready. Okay, like sir, I want U, sir. U. Now observe that yes, U symbol is ready. Are you in the position to understand, right? So this is how to generate all alphabet symbols, sir, like by using this print row function. Up to this, any doubt? Clear, right? Now I will give finishing touch for the application. Just if you enter some alphabet symbol, I want to print that pattern, how to read that and how to call the corresponding function. Up to this, any doubt? Clear? Sir, up to this, we covered all alphabet symbols, how you can generate. Every alphabet symbol we write separate function. Suppose Z, if you want Z function, if you call, it is the responsible to print Z. Similarly, X function, if you are calling, so X, that function is the responsible to print X pattern, right? Sir, now my requirement is enter in alphabet symbol. End user is responsible to provide some alphabet symbol. Now that alphabet symbol pattern I want to display. This is my requirement, right? How you can do? Observe carefully, sir. Here I am asking, here input here CH is equal to input of enter any uppercase alphabet symbol. Enter any uppercase alphabet symbol, because I developed the patterns only for alphabet symbols. Enter uppercase alphabet symbol. Okay, like I'm taking, sir. Now, so based on the input provided by end user, I want to print the corresponding pattern. What is the way, sir? One way, if CH is equal to A, can you please call A function? Sir, if CH is equal to B, then B, can you please call B function? Okay, like sir, can you please tell how many if elif is required? Sir, 26. Because do you know 26 alphabet symbols are there? At last we have to call, else some Z means 26 times. So instead of this approach, because this is the lengthy code, if you know function name, that function name, yeah, the string, is it possible to call or not? If you aware that, then our life will become very easy. Observe carefully. So how to call function as a string name? How to call function as a string name? Okay, like sir, it's a very simple, sir. What you can do is, there is a execute execute exec. Sir, this predefined function is there, Python inbuilt function. Now in that you have to pass which function you are calling. Okay, a function. Now it will execute a function. Next here function name, function call, we are providing in which format? String format, sir. This is one way. Or instead of that, even eval off like this also we can do that, sir. Eval just a string you have to pass. This string should be function call. So which functions we require to use? Either exec or otherwise eval function we have to use. By using this, so we can call a function as a string name or with a string name like, sir, observe. So I don't want like this. Okay, very very simple, sir. What I'm trying to take is, now if I entered sir a, if I entered a is there, sir. Now we have to call a function like this. Regarding we require to call a function like this. So only alphabet symbol is available. Next this parenthesis must be required. Next this total we have to pass as argument to exec function. Are you getting? As argument to exec function. Now what I'm trying to take is, sir, here, so just f function name or function call fc is equal to function call is equal to ch plus bracket open bracket close. Okay, like I'm taking. So function call ch plus like. So if I provide a, because of this bracket open bracket close, now it will become this. Okay, function name is ready. Now call this function exec fc or instead of fc directly you can take this part also. Here itself is, now whatever alphabet symbol you are providing, that alphabet symbol function will call automatically. Now the corresponding pattern will be ready. Observe very carefully, sir. Excellent method what we have, execute function, inbuilt function, sir. Now observe carefully. Here I'm trying to take def z. Sir, ch is equal to input enter any uppercase, enter any uppercase alphabet symbol, enter any uppercase alphabet symbol like this I'm taking, sir. Now sir, what I have to take, sir, execute. So this alphabet symbol plus let me add bracket open bracket close. That's all. Now if I enter a, what will happen is, so here bracket open bracket close will be added to a. Now this function will be executed by using exec inbuilt function, sir. Now have a look once, sir. Now the finishing touch is ready. Observe very carefully, sir. So I have print row function is there. By using this print row function, I'm trying to print a, I'm trying to print b, next c like this, right? Okay, well, so 26 alphabet symbol functions are ready. Now enter any uppercase alphabet symbol. So the corresponding function I have to execute. Now have a look, sir. Observe carefully. Enter any uppercase alphabet symbol. A I'm calling, a I'm taking, sir. Now perfectly a will be ready. Are you getting? Perfectly a will be ready. Now sir, enter any alphabet symbol. U I'm taking, sir. Now U pattern is ready. Are you getting right? U pattern is ready. Now enter any alphabet symbol K I'm taking, sir. Now K pattern is ready like this, right? Sir, I want to take M. I want to take M. Yes, M pattern is ready like this, right? Okay, that's all. So this beautiful function exec, you people should be aware, dynamically the function will be executed based on your provided character. If you provide a bracket open bracket close, a function will be executed. If you provide b function will be executed, sir. Are you in the position to understand this one, sir? Now based on our requirement, any alphabet symbol will be printed. Okay, like Sir, now I don't want one alphabet symbol. I want a word. Can you please print that word? Okay, like in vertical pattern. A, B, C, like this, right? So how I can do that? Suppose my requirement is, if I enter any word, hi, I'm taking, sir. Enter any word, hi. Now, sir, I want to print H and then I, sir, in pattern style. Are you getting? This is vertical. If you feel comfortable with vertical, next I will talk about horizontal LED panel display. Now my requirement is, observe very carefully, sir. Here, this is, now next, let me go for one more. I mean, next extension only. Word is equal to input of enter any word, okay, to print vertically. Enter any word to print vertically, like this I'm taking, sir. Enter any word to print vertically, okay, like. Sir, now in this word, multiple characters are there. For each character in word, can you please call that function? Okay, EXEC, okay, CH plus bracket open bracket close, okay, like. So call this function. Suppose if I entered HI, now first one H function will be called. Now H pattern printed. Next, and then, so what is the next one? I will be called. Now I will be printed. Are you getting? But anyway, so after printing H, next printing I, in the middle some blank spaces I want. That's why just print a blank line like this I'm taking, sir. Now you can enter any word. Suppose Durga, like. Sir, now D, for every character in the word, first D function will be called, which is responsible to print. Now two blank lines, okay, blank line. Next U function will be called, which is responsible to print U pattern. Okay, next blank line. Next R, something like, do you know? So in vertical fashion, DURGA will be printed, sir. Sir, this is the code. So to print word in vertical pattern, sir, LED display, how in the vertical panel it is going to be displayed, like. Let me consider, have a look once. So let me comment these two lines, right? Okay, sir, I don't want only single alphabet symbol. Okay, now I'm trying to take here word is equal to input of enter any word to print vertically. Enter any word to print vertically, like. Sir, for each character in word, for every character present in the word, can you please execute CH plus bracket open like this. So can you please execute? And then two blank lines let me print, sir. Because, sir, here do you know, first A printed and then immediately B. No, in the middle some blank spaces I want to take. These blank lines between first character and the next character is this. Okay, now let me execute this code. Have a look once, sir. So let me execute. Enter any word to print vertically. Sorry, enter any word to print vertically. Here just observe, enter any word to print vertically. Okay, hi I'm taking, sir. Hi, like. Now observe that, sir, perfectly hi printed. Okay, in the vertical fashion, hi printed, sir. Sir, now let me reduce this sir font so that you may feel more comfortable, right? Okay, hi printed. Have you observed, right? Hi itself is printed. Now enter any word. Okay, Durga I'm trying to take, sir. Durga, like. Now observe this one, D. Okay, D I'm taking, D printed. Next U, next R, next G, and then next A. Are you getting right? DURGA. Okay, like. Sir, now enter Any word to display? Sir, CAT, cat. Okay, CAT, cat. Like you can see, sir, CAT, cat. Okay, you can see CAT, cat, like so any word happily, do you know, you can print vertically, sir. So if you feel comfortable in the next horizontal display, how you can do that part, I will take care. But anyway, sir, compulsory you have to type, you have to practice, so that your programming knowledge by default is going to be improved. If any person fear about the programming, okay, this is the best solution, right? Yes, your easiness, learning level by default is going to be improved. Now you should be in the position to play games with functions, for loop, next and after that flow control, like all the things are going to be summarized. Now you can see a big example, right? Any doubt up to this? Clear, right?